Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs differently. We'll explore a variety of cooking methods, from classic scrambled to delicate poached. You'll learn the secrets to achieving your desired texture and flavor, transforming simple eggs into culinary delights. Get ready to elevate your breakfast, lunch, or dinner with these versatile techniques. For creamy scrambled eggs, cook them over low to medium-low heat, stirring gently to form soft curds. For fried eggs, sunny side up means cooking without flipping, leaving a runny yolk. Over easy involves a quick flip, keeping the yolk runny, while over hard cooks the yolk completely. Remember, a non-stick pan and butter are your best friends here. To poach eggs, bring water to a gentle simmer, add a tablespoon of vinegar and carefully slip in your eggs. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes for a firm white and runny yolk. For boiled eggs, place them in cold water, bring to a boil, then remove from heat. Let them stand for 2 minutes for soft-boiled or 12 minutes for hard-boiled. An ice bath helps with easy peeling. Crafting a perfect omelet involves cooking eggs until the edges set but the center is still slightly damp, then gently folding it. Use a non-stick pan and a thin spatula for best results. Don't be afraid to experiment with fillings like cheese, vegetables, or meats to customize your omelet. For more great tips and deals, including the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the links in the description below. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.